Mastering the square knot, the essential skill. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that's not just a part of the English language, but also a very practical skill: the square knot. Whether you're a scout, a sailor, or just someone who enjoys learning handy life skills, knowing how to tie a square knot is incredibly useful. So, let's untangle the mystery behind this common expression and learn how to tie one ourselves. A square knot is a basic knot that's used to join two ends of a rope or string together. It's a type of binding knot that is both simple to tie and easy to release. In the English language, the term can also metaphorically mean a strong connection or agreement between people. The square knot has a long-standing history, especially in nautical and scouting contexts. It's known for its non-slip and non-binding properties, making it ideal for situations where a secure yet easily untied knot is required. Its simplicity and effectiveness have made it a staple in various activities. Tying a square knot is straightforward. Here's how you do it. 1. Take two ropes and cross the right end over the left. 2. Bring the right end under the left end through the loop that's formed. 3. Now, take what is now the right end, formerly the left, and cross it over the other. 4. Again, bring it under and through the loop. 5. Pull both ends to tighten the knot. Square knots are used in a variety of settings, from securing packages and bundles to first aid for bandaging. They're also used in jewelry making and crafts. However, it's important to note that square knots are not suitable for heavy lifting or climbing, as they can slip under heavy loads. And that's a wrap on the square knot. I hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident in both understanding and using this term. Remember, the square knot is all about joining and unity, both literally and figuratively. Keep practicing, and you'll be tying square knots with ease in no time. See you in the next video.